Goodyear rear wiper blades are designed to provide enhanced rear window visibility. This brief video will take you step by step through the removal and installation on vehicles with push-button rear wiper arms. To remove your current wiper blade, push the button on the top of the blade and pull the wiper blade out of the wiper arm. Attach the 7E adapter onto the wiper blade. Insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. The button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole in the wiper arm. Give the wiper blade a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Now, remove the plastic protector over the rubber by sliding it off the wiper blade. And finally, lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. That's it! You're done. You now have 360 degrees of superior visibility.